chefs. Today I'm going to be showing you a dish from Argentina called Choripan. And the main ingredient we're going to be using are our Nestle Garden Gourmet sausages. And these come in these beautiful pre-made sausage link sizes. So it's very versatile. As you can see, we're going to be using, these are some buns. They are very standard sizes. And I want to show you how we're going to use them today. So we're going to be putting our sensational sausage to make this even more flavorful. Look, these do have a nice flavor in them already, but we really want to amp up the flavor. And what I've done is I've taken just some basic vegetable oil, and then I have marinated these sausages overnight in what we call some pork seasonings. Now you can marinate them in anything you like, but I'm looking to recreate a pork sausage link here today. And in there I have things like smoked paprika, garlic, and a whole bunch of other spices, but you can do whatever you like. You can learn how to make this exact seasoning blend as well as others in our vegan cuisine course, which takes place both in person and online at Vegan Gastronomy. I do recommend doing it overnight. We're going to be making a quick pickle, which is a combination of, these are pickled onions as well as tomatoes, and it's really typical of this dish as a topper, and I want to show you how to do it quickly and easily. So we're starting off here with some sugar, some vinegar, and some lime juice. You just want to make sure you put it in here and cook it until the sugar dissolves. Gotta get the sugar out of there. Pause. You just want to combine your onions with your finely diced tomatoes and let them rest for about 10 minutes with a good amount of salt. So this dish is from South America, and more specifically Argentina. During all their football matches, this is the most popular sandwich, and with this sauce on top, which is called chimichurri. Now the main ingredient of the chimichurri is parsley. You want to make sure that you de-stem this. So it does take, it's a little labor intensive, but you want to make sure you take all the stems off, no stems, and just have all the leaves. We also put in here some garlic, some salt, olive oil, and vinegar, and this becomes a very decadent and flavorful sauce for on top of our sausage. After your sugar has dissolved, take it off the heat and pour it over your onions and tomato mixture. To really make this go quicker, you want to take a little bit of cling wrap and put that right on top, and it's going to pickle and become done very quickly, only about 10 minutes. Just take your marinade and pop that straight into the pan to cook your sausages. Now remember, these are already pre-cooked, so we're just putting them in here to reheat and to brown. If you like, you can slice them in half to have more surface area for extra marinating. It's 100% your choice. This is a great vegan meal to eat at any football match, or really any sporting event. Goal! get this Garden Gourmet at your local food distributor.